An organic molecule is composed of 63.03% carbon, 10.43% hydrogen, and 27.5% oxygen by mass. What is the empirical formula of the compound? And here are our choices. So first, there's a little riddle or rhyme to help you remember the process in order to determine an empirical formula. It is percent to mass, mass to mole, divide by small. And then there's a fourth step, multiply till whole, which is only used when you're trying to go from an empirical formula to the molecular formula. But in this case, we just want to solve for the empirical formula, so we're only going to do these first three steps. So we are given the percentages, 62.03, and we're going to literally change the percent to a G for grams, and that is for carbon. And we are given 10.43, change the percent to grams for hydrogen, and we're given 27.54, we'll change the percent sign to G for grams for oxygen. Now, we've changed the percent to mass. Now we need to change the mass to mole. So we're going to bring down grams, go to the periodic table, and get the molar mass in order to convert to moles. And this one will give us 5.16486 moles of carbon. This one, divide by 1.01 grams to convert to moles, and that'll give us 10.32673 moles of hydrogen. And finally, this will get divided by 16 grams, which converts it to moles. And so we have 1.72125 moles of oxygen. So now we've converted each mass into moles. We're going to follow the last step, which is divide by small. We're going to divide each of these by the smallest, which happens to be 1.72125. And so this will be divided by 1.72125, as will all the rest. When we do this, 5.16486 divided by 1.72125 gives us 3. And dividing these two values gives us 6. And of course, dividing these two gives us 1, which would indicate that the final answer has 3 carbons, 6 hydrogens, and 1 oxygen, which would be letter